How to create a gang sheet in Silhouette Studio. Step 1. From the Page Setup panel, set the media size to custom. Step 2. Now, go ahead and resize the media size to the size you need using the width and height slider. Step 3. Go to File and select Merge. Step 4. Select the design you want to use and click OK. Step 5. Select the design and go to the Line Style panel. Step 6. Go to the second tab and select Transparent to remove the red outline from the image. Step 7. Now duplicate the design and add as many new designs as you wish to fill the set media. Step 8. Once you're happy with the design, go to File and select Save As. Step 9. Select Save to Hard Drive. Step 10. Rename the file, choose the file type and click OK. Step 11. In the Silhouette prompt, set the DPI and check the transparent background box. Step 12. Click Save. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.